Got her on the snag proof new frog. That's a nice one, y'all. That's a 4-pounder all day. Hell yeah. Oh, that was a good one. And my reel's all wet. Man, it keeps slipping off the damn reel. I got you. Foul hooked her. Man, these snag proofs are great, but they're too flimsy. Like the whole freaking hook will come out like that, and then like the frog just kind of falls apart. Like it works great for a little bit. Oh my god. That's a giant. Come here, baby. Oh my god, y'all. Dude. Talk about a fucking blow up. That's probably 5.5, 6 pounds on the fucking Blue Jay. That is epic. I bet she's like 5.5. Let's see here. Oh yeah, 5 pounds, 13. Yeah, that's a tank, y'all. Almost a 6. Crushed the Blue Jay. See you later, baby. Gotcha. Tiny guy. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, please don't come off, baby. Please don't come off, baby. It's a monster. It's a monster. Please. No, 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 no. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Yes. Oh my freaking god, y'all. Oh my god. Holy shit, that fish fucking smoked it. Oh my god. Holy crap. Look at the freaking size of that one. Oh man, I'm working on a big bag right now, baby. Golly. Oh wow. 5 pounds, 10 ounces. Alright, yo. So I've caught a 513, a 510, and the first one I caught this morning was over 4. That's a big bag I'm working on right there. Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Biggin. Biggin, y'all. Don't shake the hooks. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh my gosh. Come here. Strong. Gotcha. Oh man, I'm having a day out here. I gotta be over 20 pounds now, my best 5. That's a tank. On the top toe, baby. Hell yeah. Let's see how much she weighs just for the hell of it. She's probably like 3.5. 3 pounds, 12 ounces. Hell yeah.